Good morning, students. We were doing chapter 3, The Tiger's Whisker. Listen to me carefully. The story is about a young lady, Yun Oke. She visits a mountain hermit. She asks him for some medicine or potion that will make her husband loving as he used to be. Then the hermit tells her to bring the whisker of a living tiger. Today we will read the remaining part of the story. The remaining part tells about the efforts made by Yun Oke to obtain a living tiger's whisker. The end tells us what the hermit says to the lady to win the love of her husband. The story gives us a lesson at the end. Let us start. She went to a place in the forest where a tiger was known to live. Standing far off from the tiger's cave, she held out the bowl of food towards the tiger. The tiger looked at it but did not move at all. Looked. This is looked. D is pronounced here as T. The pronunciation is looked. T, not looked. The next night, Yun Oke went again. This time, she came a little closer to the tiger's cave. Again, she held out a bowl of food, but the beast here means wild animal, did not care. Means the tiger ignored the lady. The lady was trying to be closer. She was trying to be comfortable with the tiger, but the tiger ignored her. Night after night, she would go to the mountain, getting each time a few steps closer to the tiger's cave. One night, she walked almost to the mouth of the cave. This time, the tiger moved a few steps towards the woman. The two stood looking at each other in the moonlight. They were so close that Yun Oke could talk to the tiger in a soft and gentle voice. The tiger looked long into her eyes and then at the food she had brought for him. Means the tiger also trying to be closer with her, means both of them were trying to be comfortable with each other. When Yun Oke came again the next night, she found the tiger waiting for her on the trail. Trail here means path or a track. After the tiger had eaten the food brought for him, Yun Oke crest. This is crest. D. Here also D is pronounced as T. There are some other words also like missed, kissed, looked, stopped. These words end with ed but pronounced as T at the end. His head gently with her hands. This continued for many days. Means both are comfortable with each other now. Then one night, caressing the tiger's head lovingly, Yun Oke said, "Oh, gentle tiger, I want one of your whiskers. Please don't be angry when I have it." And she snipped, means cut down of one of the tiger's whiskers. Means she cut down the tiger's whisker. The tiger was not angry at all. The tiger was not angry because he was comfortable with her. Now the lady had won the confidence and love of the tiger. Early next morning, she went running to the hermit's cottage and said, Holy Father, I have got what you needed for the potion. Means for the medicine. I have got the tiger's whisker. She was very happy to get that whisker. The hermit took the whisker and dropped it into the fire burning in his cottage. But the hermit dropped it into the fire. Oh, sir, the young woman cried, What have you done? I had got it after so much effort. Tell me how you got it, said the hermit. Every night. Now she is explaining how she got the whisker. Every night I went to the tiger living on the mountainside. I would take with me a bowl of food, but I was afraid and kept a good distance from the tiger. By and by here means after a short period or eventually, I overcame my fear and went a little closer. At last, one night, the tiger ate the food I had brought for him. Then a time came when he would stand on the trail, means he was waiting for me or for the lady, waiting for me. He would eat out of the bowl in my hand, and then it was not difficult for me to have one of his whiskers. Means she concludes or she explained the story how she got tiger's whisker. So you won the tiger's confidence through your love, said the hermit. Yes, but now all my effort has come to nothing, means all in vain, all proved useless, said Yun Oki very sadly. You have thrown the whisker in the fire. You have no need of a potion now. So the whisker was useless. Yun Oki, I ask you a question. Now hermit asked her a question. Is a man more ferocious than a tiger? Ferocious here means very violent. Means is a man more violent than a tiger? If you can win the love and confidence of a wild beast, you can surely do the same with your husband. Means if you can win the confidence and love of a beast, you can also win the love and confidence of your husband. There can be none who can't be won through love. Means this is the main idea of the story. There can be none who can't be won through love. Means there is nothing you can't be won through love, or you can win everything with your love or through your love. Now I'll ask you some questions. What did Yun carry for the tiger? She carried the bowl of food for the tiger. Next question is, what did the hermit do with tiger's whisker? The hermit dropped it into the fire. The third one is, what lesson does the story give us? The story gives us a lesson that there can be none who can't be won through love. Hearing this, Yun Ok was speechless. Now she understood what hermit wanted to say. She got up, touched the hermit's feet, and went back home. She always kept in her mind what the hermit had said. Now, hope you got the lesson or you enjoyed the story. Students, read the story carefully and do page 27, 28, and 30 of your book. Have a nice day.